Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change resolution on Clipchamp. So first you need to do is to open Clipchamp, click on import media. So I'm going to import a video clip. So I'm going onto my downloads, videos, and this is the video that I want. So once your video is imported, here you can see that you simply need to click on add to timeline, and now it is added, and you need to finish your editing. Once you complete that, you simply need to click on this drop down arrow here, and here you can see video quality 480p, 720p, 1080p and 4K. So it is up to you which one you want to use, but here you can see that if you want a 4K you simply need to upgrade to the Clipchamp Pro, but I want 1080p. Select that, and now you can see that video is downloading. So wait for few seconds, and after that you have an option here and it will be completed, and you have the video saved in your PC. Here you can see that once it is completed you can easily have this video in your PC. So this is the process how you can change resolution on Clipchamp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.